Today we are going to be going on a forest walk, and we are going to go down to our hill and go and maybe
see what we can see.
Yeah, see what we can see. And there's a tunnel down there, according to James. So we're gonna go there and go check it out. Last year we did get a new dog. Her name is Gemma. She's around here somewhere. Hello. We are in our old paintball hut. That's what it looks like.
Make sure to subscribe to
Hit the like and
Bridget,
subscribe.
Francis, and Jimmy Boy.
Yeah.